That was 17.
That's insane. Yeah, that lower frequency at the very end.
Yeah.
And you got a little smell on that one.
Yeah. I'm cooking a little bit. I won't lie to you.
Yeah, it's all good. You did good, man. Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. Links in the description. That's fine, man.
It was at 15 something, but now it's...
Could you tell me your name and what's in here?
My name's Mario. I got 40515s. You had a video from
yep.
Big Steel.
I remember.
2 Tarmaps AKs, clapping 6K. So 6 order was designed by Drew, and I built it. That's pretty much it.
What's the what are your metering and peak score at?
I don't know my peak, but it does do a 56 at 20.
20. Okay. So you haven't done your high peak yet?
No.
No?
I haven't really bought it. I don't know. I really don't care about the...
Yes, sir. It's all good. You just like lows.
Yeah, I love
Yes, sir. All right.
The difference between the last time you were and now, I basically reinforce the doors a little bit.
Okay.
I mean, they're still...
Yeah, they're going to break no matter what. Yeah. Yes, sir. I'm going to go look at the amp rack in the back.
Oh, did it get... Oh. Hold on. Ole! Oh, it opens.
Yeah, open from the back.
Oh, okay.
On the outside.
Nah,
Door problems.
The door won't open from the inside.
Yeah, you're having door issues. Oh, no, that's the lock. Going on, everybody? This is JacobViral. I hope you enjoyed the full walk around. We just got a Mario system. He was showcasing at the Jacksonville Show Summer Showcase in 2021. I was really impressed with how low in response he was playing into the teen frequencies. And he actually broke records on the SPL scores because of his low-end monster 6th order enclosure. So if you haven't already, give him a like as well as comment what you like about his system. Really nice, clean amplifier install rack, nice cooling system and airflow as well. I like the way the box layout is with the subwoofers inverted. There is a ported chamber underneath, and this is a 6th order, so that makes there being 2 ports, that front loading wall port, and then the back rear port with the low port area to cone area ratio, which helps optimize for that low end response. I didn't find out what the tuning frequencies were, but it was playing down to like 16, 17 hertz on this song you're going to see. So you could definitely tell he built it really well for the lows. Can't imagine to see what his SPL score is when he full tilt burps it. I'm sure it breaks a 160, but he was doing a 155 plus dB on music easily in the 20 hertz range during this demo. So if you notice at the front port, how wide and big it is and that port length, the way that is set up looks like a perfect optimal tuning for this 6th order to get as low as it did. 2 powerful 8,000 watt amps. I don't really know if they were wired at half ohm or 1 ohm. Just going to go ahead and assume these are at half ohm each to get all the juice out of the amplifiers. And he probably turned it up all the way because I could smell the subs from the amount of power he was pushing to them. Go ahead and get to the demo now. If you haven't already, consider subscribing for daily videos and enjoy.
Next trick, I'll make you disappear. Jokes
Whew. That was 17.
That's insane. Yeah, that lower frequency at the very end.
Yeah,
And you hold it with this window offloading.
I've been living dreams.
Man, thank you for the demo, man.
No problem, man.
Your name?
Mario.
Mario. Thank you.
And it's Trailblazer on Instagram.
Yes, sir. Trailblazer on Instagram. All right. Very nice. Ooh, you got a little smell on that one.
Yeah. I'm cooking a little bit. I won't lie to you.
Yeah, it's all good. You did good, man. Stay cool today, man. Thank you for the demo.